Hello and welcome to the next video in this compression video course from SoundMega's music production videos. This is just going to be a short one. I just wanted to show you ducking and basically what it is. Now you've probably seen me during this video course that if I solo something, I always come over here and unsolo this. Now as you'll see, it's got my input vocal here. So the reason I do that is because if I don't have this working, when the music plays, the ducking won't work. Now, if you don't know what ducking is, I'll give you an example. I'm going to press play and keep talking, then I'll turn this on and talk. Listen to what happens. Oh, helps if I've got some sound. Okay, let me just mute that. Okay, as you can hear now, you can probably still hear me quite clear, but it's not very good. I'm competing with the music. But if I put my ducking input on, listen to what happens when I do that. Whenever I talk, my voice triggers a compressor which then ducks the audio in the background. Basically this is a radio trick. This is what radio presenters use so that they can talk over music and whatnot. But it's very easy to set up, which I shall show you now. Okay, so what I've got is the main stereo output, and I've put a compressor on there that's sidechain compatible. In this case it's the Cubase compressor. I'll show you in a minute with the Pro C. I just like using this because it's simply simple. Then what you do is I go to the audio channel. Now the reason I've got the audio channel is because I've got my input coming in here, my mic input. I've then routed that input to this audio channel so I can add effects and whatnot. So basically I've got a send effect, which is my sidechain compressor, and that's it. It's that easy. So the compressor is on the stereo out. I put it into sidechain mode. I go into my sends, select the sidechain, that's it. So now whenever I talk, the music ducks. Great little tool. Okay, so how do we do that with the Pro C? Okay, so just add the Pro C onto your main stereo output, and again come to your vocal input channel, add the sidechain. Now remember, you've got to use the FabFilter Pro C VST3 version to do this in Cubase. Doing this without the VST3 version is doable, but you need to use a different method. So click that button there to put it into sidechain mode. Press play. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, nothing's happening. We need to set it up first. So let's just slam in a huge threshold, a massive ratio. Let's just put that on hard knee. We'll leave that at that. Sorry, the auto gain was on there. May have made my voice go a little strange for a while. So, okay. And then you click the expert button and it takes us into sidechain mode. Okay, so we're in sidechain mode now. Press play. 1 2. Okay. It really is compressing, but it's compressing the whole output. So we need to sort that out. So if we turn that left side chain level up and the right side chain level up, now when I talk, well, now that I'm talking I don't have to talk, everything's gone. 1 2 1 2, and it's simply because of that. If it's on internal, it's compressing internally basically. It's sidechaining internally. If we click the external button, which is me manipulating it with my voice, there you go. Okay, so that's sidechaining with Pro C, or ducking with Pro C. And of course you've got loads of crazy control with Pro C, but you don't have to go mad. And anyway, I'll show you all this stuff later. So that's ducking. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you in the next video.